Hello everyone. When I conduct the urban retreats at Peace, Awareness, Labyrinth and Gardens, I always mention rather humorously my success method. And by that I mean 6, the number 6 and the letter S. The first S is slowing down, slow. And I think some of us will hopefully have slowed down a little bit since we're mostly confined to the rooms of our homes, and it gives us an opportunity a little bit to just reduce the fast pace of life. So that's not such an issue. But silence, yes. Silence, very important that we take those moments. And when we do these sound events, the reason I just let the sound go at the end, so that you can actually move into the silence. Perhaps you do meditation, but maybe just a minute of silence afterwards can be very healing and nurturing. And then stillness. I'll have more to say about stillness in the coming days. And now spaciousness, that's the fourth S. Space, spaciousness, very, very important. If we can become aware of the space around us, just our awareness, space in front, space at our sides, just letting the peripheral vision take over rather than any intense looking, just see around us, let the images come to us and feel the space, our brainwave state will change from a beta, kind of hyperactive, almost intense state. We want our dentist to be in a beta state. We want him to be really focused, but we don't want to be like that way all the time. So, and for most of us, it's easier and better to be in an alpha brainwave state, which is relaxed, but still focused. So as you become aware of space, notice how you start to relax, and you're fully here, but in a kind of natural way. That's the alpha state. So I'd like you to use these instruments today to move into that spaciousness, that alpha state. And then the 2 S's, not to leave you hanging. Left are serenity. The spaciousness takes us into this serenity. And then into sanctity. I'm going to use these beautiful tongue drums today to take us into spaciousness. They're called Moyo drums, M-O-Y-O. You should probably find out what Moyo means. I'm sure there's a special name for that, but that's what they're called. And they're tuned to different frequencies, or different tones or notes, or keynotes. And as you listen to them, allow yourself to resonate, come into a slowing down, a silent place, a stillness in you, and then enter space or spaciousness. Not spacey, just spaciousness. So let's bring ourselves into this energy field of light and love and sound. So just now we ask for the highest and purest light from the highest and purest source to surround and fill each one of us here now, and the space that we're in for the highest good. And now let's just place anyone we know who needs the light at this time into that light for the highest good. We don't have to place any emotion, any thought of whether we're doing it right or wrong. Just I ask that the light be sent to whatever their name is for the highest good. And then we let it go. For me, it's I ask that the light be sent to the healthcare workers in New York City and in Spain and in Italy, that they get the equipment and the protection that they need as rapidly as possible for the highest good. And then we come into our loving. The loving, we can just touch our heart. That's just a beautiful way of just connecting to our loving. And we can think of something we love more than anything. Could be a scene from nature, a pet, a loved one, an uncle, an aunt. Oh my goodness, there's so many ways that we can focus on loving. And now we move into the sound. And with the sound, have your intention for that sound. Is it a healing that you want, mentally, emotionally, physically, unconsciously? Any part of you that needs a little bit of recalibration, resetting, coming back into who you know yourself to be, which is always love. It's always love. It's just that we have to come at it in different ways, apparently. So, again, in this light and love and sound, just allow yourself to resonate and also just enjoy the sounds.